Alright. Boom, bop, bop. Ooh. Just a little pinch of sunlight through there. Alright, so.
Have you?
I'm fast. Up in the communal space. Even though we've got our own thing. I feel like now, we got our own thing. That's why I love her. Alright, it was she's got her own thing, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Gonna head that way. For us to actually do anything. So yeah, the plan is have a quick little nose down on the beach. Come back, get some rest because the past 24 has been mad, and then go hit one of the two Christmas market options.
Why walk down the stairs from the lift?
I'm not even going to ask why we took the stairs. Saying that, you would have. Why did I not get that on camera? Somebody
I knew it myself. What the fuck is going on in my life?
Somebody almost took a little tumble there. I missed it.
I'm not drinking no more.
Sorry, viewers. Sorry.
Hello.
How you doing, you right? So yeah, I just missed what could have been one giant leap for mankind.
Could have been a hospital trip, mate. I never put my foot on the set far enough from the back of my foot, nearly
Shit.
Yeah.
How did I miss that?
I need to slow down.
Heartbroken. I'm actually heartbroken.
No fucking manners, man. So excuse my French people, but yeah, no manners.
What's manners got to do with the fact that you almost dropped down the stairs?
Dropped and you're laughing and you're like, I really can't believe I missed that.
The camera was facing in the wrong direction. I'm actually
Good.
hurt.
I'm glad.
Listen, you've got so much evidence of me doing the same thing.
I have, yeah. Because I'm on point with it. Because I know it's going to happen at some point, so I always have to have the camera on you.
Oh, okay. The truth will always reveal itself, people. You see, that is a prime example of the emotion people carry behind the scenes.
Get over
yeah?
yourself, for God's sake. Bloody hell.
What the hell is that? That
What?
is. I don't.
Lincoln, don't know.
That is.
That is really nice. The colour's lovely.
Vehicle. I've never seen that before. That is different.
Yeah, the colour's lovely, isn't it?
We ain't got. I ain't seen that Lincoln coating in the UK. That's that new. Fuck what you thought you knew. Yeah, you know what? I ain't trying to die out here. Listen, you need to cross there, where you can be seen to cross. Or get tarmac, and I ain't really trying to get tarmac. Man's got the
Really?
I don't even know how to describe that helmet.
We really didn't need the cardigan right now, but I know at some point the temperature's going to drop.
Oh, better to be safe than sorry. So, yeah, there's that. I'm out here foraging for food, people. I'm hungry. Oh, no. I ain't getting no food there. So, I might have to go fishing. I might literally have to go fishing. Oh, seagull. Dinner.
That's not a seagull.
Dinner.
Oh my God.
It so is a seagull.
No, not a seagull.
So what is it then?
A seagull's got a longer nose.
So let me get this straight. Seagulls have noses, right? According
It's got
to
a longer peak. Peck.
I'm not even going to add any more pressure. I'm not going to add any more pressure to the situation. It is what it is. But yeah, you heard it here first. 2025, December. Nikki has decided that seagulls have noses. 2026 is going to be a mad year, people. Whatever you do, don't vote for her in the next elections. But yeah, out here is looking quite nice. Oh, can he lie? Oh, can he lie? And if you're at home in the UK right now, and the weather's overcast and gloomy and cold, just know that this ain't a million times better. But it is definitely better. I am not cold. It's nice out here. And at this point, whatever bullshit you're saying over there, it's picking up in that mic. I see it on the replay. I hear what was said on the replay. So will you. But yeah, we're gonna take a little walk down the beach. Staggering.
It's the sand.
Huh?
It's the sand.
You're blaming it on the sand?
Yeah, it's very uneven.
So, are you gonna blame the sand on grabbing your imaginary balls? Because that's what you did as you walked towards the camera.
My balls? I know that. Balls, what are you about? Oh, fuck off. I'm sorry, you make me swear, man. No.
Why is this woman trying to trip me up? The thing is, she's got default settings, and that's one of them. So, whenever I'm filming, she will try and trip me up like.
No, not every time you're filming, I don't. Stop lying.
What?
Nothing.
Nothing. You do realise that you're wearing a mic.
I was just like, I'm so happy that I'm
You
with you.
are lying, motherfucker. Well, it's all good.
I forgot I had a mic
The camera
on.
picked up whatever it was you said.
I forgot I had a mic on. Do you know what it is? I went to speak earlier, but when I was doing mine, I remembered it would have gone over each one in it. And then I forgot about I had it on.
So, I'm about 2 steps away from eating that frass. So,
Oh, it's
this
such
is why I
hard
have to
work.
hit the beach
Walking on
now.
sand.
Otherwise, it would just be a day wasted, isn't it? Thank you, Jim Bean. Yeah.
Oh, that sun's
blaming you,
lovely.
Arcus.
Bloody lovely
Why
it
not?
is. So, yeah.
Oh, fishing rods there. I'd love to know what they're trying to catch.
Someone's fishing. Sorry.
I just said the same thing. But you actually look wasted. You look wasted.
No, I ain't. The sand has got me all over the place.
How are you blaming the sand?
Listen, I can't walk straight on the sand. It's got me walking all directions here.
But yeah, my ability to communicate with anybody who's fishing on the beach is definitely going to be janky, so I can't even ask.
Oh, come
What
on,
are you
man,
trying
I
to
was going to walk on that straight deep.
But right now out here is looking quite nice. And I'm looking forward to seeing what a Christmas market looks like out here later on today. You know what I mean?
Ah, the sun's in my eye, I can't see.
What is that? The question you got to ask yourself is, will she survive long enough to make it to a Christmas market today?
We've got her.
Well, yeah.
I think once we eat and we have a bit of rest, we'll be alright.
Oh, let's go find some food.
Come on then.
Alright. We'll be back.